There is an AI company right now currently valuated at $380 billion. And this company is called Anthropic, the company behind one of the most popular AI tools right now, Claude AI, which I have to tell you something. And the Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang says that AI will create more millionaires in the next 5 years than the internet did in 2 decades. And that's exactly what happened with this regular guy, Matthew Gallagher, who used AI and created a company that is valuated at $1.8 billion right now. That's actually the case with me. I used AI to create digital products and generate more than $300,000. So in this video, we're going to see step by step how AI can make you a full-time income. And so our first step is obviously to find something to promote or to create a digital product with AI in order to make money. In this case, if you're a professional, if you're a coach or a consultant, or you provide some type of a service, this is the great starting point because you will be able to pack your knowledge, use AI to help you pack that knowledge into either a digital product or a course and sell it. Now, if you don't have any expertise, that's also fine. You can use AI to give you the ideas. For example, I've created this website called Promo Topics. I've used AI to create it. It gives you predictions and statistics about specific niches, products, and industries you can create an entire business around. So you can use it for free. And once you do so, you're going to see all kinds of specific trending topics: retirement planning, coaching, spice blend subscriptions, hiking gear rentals. That's a pretty good niche. As today's example, I'm going to use myself because I've created this product called Commission Jumpstart. It's an info product, it's a course about affiliate marketing. And I've generated well over $300,000 with this specific product. It's a course that I sell once and it costs $300 one time. But I used affiliate marketing for 10 plus years and I decided to create an info product around my expertise and my career. Another way to make money with AI is hire an avatar. This is Meta Ads Library, and this is the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. This is one of the books that has been selling for years. You can see that there's a lady in front of this branding. Right here, we can see the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. Again, we see this lady, and we can actually go to the actual website where they sell that book. It's about herbal remedies, medicinal plants, and holistic treatments. I've been selling this book, by the way, as an affiliate. I've made quite some money with them. What is surprising here is that you would not see the name of this lady pretty much anywhere as branding. You can go to the Facebook page, which is actually almost with 1 million followers, 781,000 to be exact. You cannot see or read the name of this lady. She is the avatar. And when you scroll down to the very bottom, you can see that Nicole Applin, but then you see this name, Claude Davis. And guess what, guys? Claude Davis is the actual marketing genius behind Nicole Applin. Nicole Applin is just an avatar. Yes, she's a doctor, but she doesn't know anything about digital marketing, creating landing pages, writing sales copy, writing via sales, creating videos, and selling online. What does she know is medicinal plants. She knows how to prepare holistic treatments. How I know that? Because I used to work with Claude Davis. I was his affiliate. What they did is they found this lady doing stuff in her backyard with medicinal plants, and they told her, hey, we're going to give you a percentage. Be our face for our brand. Claude Davis knows everything about digital marketing, but he doesn't know even a thing about medicinal plants. What I call this is the hidden marketer. Where do you find these people? Probably you have friends with specific professions. You can hire them, or you can go on Upwork or Fiverr. For example, I recreated similar ebook and I went on Fiverr and I found a doctor, real doctor with PhD. He agreed to proofread my ebook. We're going to be using ChatGPT. And in ChatGPT, you want to find your perfect niche. And for that reason, what I'm going to say here is give me a list of 10 biggest problems most homeowners experience in America who are age 45 plus. Most people will come to ChatGPT and they're going to say, well, give me the top 10 trending niches. This is too vague, too broad. No, be specific. If you want to make money, you need to pick a very specific niche. You're making money by finding specific problems and issues people experience in a narrower niches. So here, high energy bills, home maintenance and repairs, property taxes and insurance costs, lawn care and landscaping, pest problems. Why homeowners though? Well, Because homeowners usually have money. If you own a home, you're supposed to have money to take care of the home, right? Copy and paste this niche, let's say pest problems, go to promo topics, go to niche validation, paste it right here, and promo topics will give me ideas on what kind of products I can create, where can I find customers, what kind of topics I can cover. It gives me market demand, and it gives me search volume, 1.5 million searches a month. Then it gives me some earnings potential. If you don't want to create your own product, it gives us actual affiliate offers where you can just promote the affiliate, and it gives us the affiliate network. Share a sale, Amazon Associates, Mosquito, Amazon Associates, ClickBank. And what is surprising about promo topics, actually, I've made it so it can pull active ads of other people running similar products. So you can study what is already performing and converting and making money for other people, so you can create your own based on what is already working. After you have validated your niche, I'm not going to cover product creation in this video because it's going to take me a lot of time. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to create another separate video. I'm going to show you how you can create a digital product. In this one, we will assume that you already know what to create. And after that, what you would need is a sales page. This is one of the most important things, the landing page, where people will land and see who you are and what you offer. Each of these paragraphs, for example, the underground way to become a high earning ClickBank affiliate, is an opener. Then I have a problem. Then I have the controversial part. Then I have the solution. And each of these elements on this landing page has a purpose, and I'm going to show it to you. So, how I created this landing page. By the way, this landing page converts cold traffic into sales. Why? Because I've used this keyword sales letter. What I'm going to be doing is basically give Claude AI a brain of a hardcore skilled direct response marketer. So in front of me, this is called a 12-step foolproof keyword sales letter template, and it's written in the 90s by one of the OGs in direct response marketing, David Frey. Who is David Frey? He's responsible for this book as well, The Small Business Marketing Bible, 2000 and David Frey. The purpose of this sales letter template is to overcome your buying or your buyer's resistance. Whether you're giving a sales presentation in person or on paper, the process of overcoming the hurdles leading to buying resistance are much the same. These hurdles are manifested in many spoken and unspoken customer comments such as, "You don't understand my problem. How do I know if you're qualified? I don't believe you. I don't need it right now. It won't work for me. What happens if I don't like it? I cannot afford it," and so on and so forth. Think of it like you're loading the brain of Alex Hormozy or Russell Brunson into Claude. This is almost 20 something years old, but it's still relevant till this day because it is a sales funnel on its own. Open Claude. I'm going to load this template. So let's go 12-step keyword sales letter. So we're going to go to Claude AI. I'm going to load it right here. And I'm going to say to Claude, study this sales template and create a skill. Hey Claude, I want you to craft a complete sales landing page, TSL, text sales letter, for my digital product, which is called Pest Proofing Power Pack. I want you to use the skill sales letter writer, and let's put it like that. You can also pull the skill from this plus sign here and go to skills, and as you can see, it's right here, sales letter writer. Claude, before it writes the letter, it tells us what does the pest proofing power pack cover. DIY pest control methods. Here I'm just gonna go with full guide covering all of the above. Homeowners wanting DIY solutions. It's gonna be like 17 to 27 bucks, let's say. There we go. As you can see, guys, this is a full-blown tutorial. I just don't want to tell you the theory. I'm just making it in front of you so you can see how it's done. It's not that difficult. But if you use AI like everyone else, like magic wand, AI is going to do everything for you. No, it's not. So after Claude crafts the sales letter for me, I'll change it myself with my own voice. But 80% of the work will be done. I don't have to think and structure everything by myself. I'm just going to take ready-to-go framework and just adjust it, tweak it, make it more human sounding. So what I will do, I'll just go back to ChatGPT, and in here I'm going to say, hey, could you please create me 2 to 3 images in the pest control niche, like that. So ChatGPT is gonna, and there we have it. It looks very professional though. So you can play around with ChatGPT. Obviously, it created like a grid type of images, but it looks very professional. So I'm just gonna download it for the sake of the video. But you can see how you can talk with ChatGPT and make it even more polished. So what I can say, I can actually adjust the image, and I can say, hey, ChatGPT, please create one image that has an intent of making cold traffic visitors to my website wanting to buy my product. In other words, the image should invoke high CTR and be vivid. Create something controversial that people don't see every day. Ideally, the image should be representing a problem and then a solution. So that's a very long prompt I gave to ChatGPT, but let's see if it can actually produce something. Lately, I've found that GPT has become very, very smart. A lot of my images that I'm creating right now, currently I'm using ChatGPT. I used to use Nano Banana for my image generation, but lately I found that GPT is much better than Nano Banana for some reason, which is surprising. And it's a good thing. It's a good thing. There we have it. It has a lot of... Yeah, this is good. It looks nasty, but it's good. So what I would say, it's too much text. So, hey, the image looks great, but there are too many elements, too much text. Could you remove most of the text and just make it more slick? This one looks much, much better. So let's download it. And I've already downloaded a bunch of other images right here in this folder. So my next thing to do is go back to Claude. And here I said, I don't want this website. I want you to give me the sales copy. So I don't like the website that it created. Because for the website, the third step, we're going to be using Claude Code to make the website much more stylish and minimalistic. And now it gave me the file with the text format for my website. The copy is very important. So I'm downloading the file. And the next step is to go to Claude Code right here. Let's remove that. And now it's time to create our website. What I want to do next is install a special skill inside Claude that is going to allow me to create stunning designs for my landing page. So I'm going to say install this skill, and that's the skill you need. So every time you create a website, before you do so, call this skill. Tell Claude to install this front end design. If you want to find it, I'm going to link it in the description below, but usually it's right here in GitHub. And it's from the company Anthropic, which is the owner of Claude. So they actually created this skill so Claude can create stunning website designs. Once the skill is installed, let's open Claude Code. This is on my desktop app. So here I'm going to say this. Use this skill, which is going to be that one, front-end design. Then I'm going to download this file with the sales copy to my computer. And what else I did is I used ChatGPT to create these cool looking images for my landing page, like pest control, protect your home from pests, etc. So here actually ChatGPT, I told it to create a image for my website that creates high CTR, meaning click-through ratio, and the image should be controversial, like the image should be representing a problem, then a solution. And this is what ChatGPT created. So pretty cool image, right? Before and after, but it had too many elements. So I prompted again and I said, hey, clean up the image. It's too overcrowded. I want something simple. And this is it. This is what we got. So I created more images like this one. I found some images on Google, etc. So everything is in my folder on my computer. Now, I'm going to upload everything by clicking this plus sign, add, and then I'm going to click add files or photos. And here are all the files. I have images and I have the pest patrol or pest control sales letter. This is the most important part. So I'm going to highlight everything like this. I'm going to hit open. Based on the images given, create a landing page that is designed to convert cold traffic into buyers. Use the doc for the sales copy. Try to match the images with the sales copy. Forget all about the ordinary fonts like Times News Roman, sans serif, etc. I want you to use bold, clunky, and bulky fonts so they can stick in people's eyes. Think out of the box and create a design that is sleek and minimal enough, but also eye-catching and cool. Use green and blue colors. make them vivid and bright. I also want you to create a hover effect and mouse scroll effect as well. So that's the complete prompt. And from here, I'm just going to hit enter. And just like that, guys, Claude created this fully functional website that looks very slick. It has this hover effect that are pretty cool. We have pop-up buttons like this. Claude didn't render the images correctly, but look at this. This is pretty good. So I have to do some back and forth with Claude just to attach the actual images. Another thing that I see is that Claude didn't use exactly the copy I gave it to. So I have to go do some back and forth to use the copy, which is fine. It's going to take some time to tweak it and fine tune it. But overall, like the first experience, it's okay. It's not perfect, it's not great, but it's going to take some back and forth to edit everything. Now, you're getting the gist out of everything. You got the information, how to do it, what to do it. The final step is obviously once you have the landing page and the sales copy is to start attracting people to your product. There are two approaches: organic with content, creating yourself or a videographer or a blogger, or paid media. As you can see, the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, they have 170 ads currently running, and they've been running ads on Meta for the past 7 years, more 10 years, non-stop. The next thing, or the first thing I would do if I want to make this a legitimate business, I would create my own community. So for example, for medicinal plants, here's a community on Facebook with 152,000 people. Create your own community and start talking with people about your product, start getting feedback, start helping people. Another place where you can create a community is called school.com. As you can see, with the keyword pest in school, I have more than 1,000 results. Pest education, pest control experts. So lots of communities here as well. And why I'm showing you this, because if you decide to create any type of product, don't just try to create a lousy product and just bounce out of it and jump to the next one. Create a sustainable business, especially if you have a skill. If you are a coach or creator or a professional or service provider, that's your business. That's another cash stream. That's a full-time income. Once you create this digital product, it could be making you 5 to 10 sales a day. If you price it $20, $50, that's quite some money every day coming on autopilot after you get the momentum. I'm going to show you how to bring another cash stream to your business by using Manus AI, another very powerful AI tool. I'm explaining everything step by step in the video in the left or right corner. So click it and watch it next so you can learn how to use Manus AI to bring more money.